Hi everyone, in today's class let us learn about an adjective and adverb class. In our previous class we have learnt about class, main class, subordinate class, functions of classes. In that noun class we have completed. In today's class let us learn about an adjective and adverb class. So let's start. What is an adjective class? A subordinate class that does the work of an adjective is called an adjective class. As you know, subordinate class is dependent class. It depends on the main class to give a complete meaning. And adjective means it qualifies or describes the noun. So here also an adjective class, it does the work of an adjective, is called an adjective class. Example, I remember the letter that she wrote to me. I remember the letter is main class, that she wrote to me is subordinate class. Since the subordinate class or adjective class describes or qualifies the noun letter, it is an adjective class. Here the adjective class, it was qualifying the letter, hence it is called an adjective class. Let us see one more example. My neighbor is a man who has strange habits. Here my neighbor is a man is main class, who has a strange habits is subordinate class. The subordinate class qualifying the noun man, so it is called an adjective class. So adjective work, what adjective work is qualifying the noun or describing the noun, it is called an adjective class. So here some more examples, let us see. I have bought a car which is red in color. Here adjective class qualifies what? It qualifies a car which is red in color. I don't know the girl who is dancing now. Here the adjective class qualifies the girl who is dancing. Again, I have seen the place where he was born. The adjective class qualifies the noun the place where he was born. They never fail who die in a great cause. So again here adjective class qualifies what? It qualifies they. They means who die in a great cause. So all these examples will tell us about adjective class which is dependent upon the main class to give a complete meaning. Adjective class, what it does the work? It does the work, it qualifies or describes the noun. So now I hope you understood what is an adjective class. Now let us move to adverb class. What is an adverb class? A subordinate class that does the work of an adverb is called an adverb class. Adverb means you know where, when, how the action is going on. It is called an adverb class, or it modifies the verb. It is called adverb class. So here also it does the same work. It is called adverb class. Example, he could not come because he was sick. He could not come means he could not come. Why he could not come? Because he was sick. So here we have added the question word why. Why means the reason is there, because he was sick. So only he could not come. So the subordinate class here modifies the verb come. The plane will land when it gets permission. When the plane will land? When it gets the permission. So here the adverb class will tells about the time. So the action when, where, how is going on, it is called adverb class. Adverb class can be subdivided into different types. There are so many types of adverb class. What are they? Let us see. Adverb class of time, adverb class of place, adverb class of reason, adverb class of purpose, adverb class of result, adverb class of condition, adverb class of manner, adverb class of concession, adverb class of comparison. So let us see in detail what is adverb class of time. Adverb class of time are introduced by these subordinating conjunctions or connectives. Connectives means these words after, before, until, sin, than, etc. Since, than, etc. Sorry, since, than, etc. We will go after the school is over. So when we will go? After the school is over. So after, the connective or conjunction will help us to form the adverb class of time. We should reach the hall. When we should reach the hall? Before the exam begins. So here before will tell us the time. She can't come out. She can't come out until the time is over. Here she may be in the office or maybe in the house. So she can't come out until the time is over. Here until will tells about the adverb class of time. She has not written to me. She has not written to me since she left this place. Since means she has left this place in the past, maybe 1 year before. So here since, this word also tells about time. So you can understand the words which connects to form adverb class of time. So after, before, until, since, then, etc. will tells about adverb class of time. Now adverb class of place. The adverb class of place helps. The subordinating conjunctions are where, wherever. So the adverb class of place is introduced by these subordinating conjunctions or connectivities. We have used here where or wherever. So here in which place the action is going on, it talks about that. The hair is hot where there is a desert. Where there is a desert, the hair is hot. So the hair is hot where there is a desert. Yeah, you know that because there is a desert, the hair will come hot only. No, the hair is hot where there is a desert. In that place, hot is there. So in that place, which place? Where there is a desert. In that place, hot is there. So it tells about adverb class of place. The action is going in which place? In hot place. He creates problem wherever he goes. So wherever, maybe inside, outside, here, there, in the room, in the park, in the kitchen, etc. So he creates problem wherever he goes. So where and wherever, these words, these conjunctions will tells about the adverb class of place, where the action is going on in that place. So you can use this where, wherever in subject place also. Where there is a will, subordinate class, adverb class. There is a way, main class. There is a way is main class. So you can use this where in subject place also. Wherever there is a war, what happens? There is a destruction. Wherever there is a war, there is a destruction. So where and wherever are the two conjunctions or connectives which tells about adverb class of place. I hope you understood about adverb class of time and adverb class of place. In my next video, let us learn the remaining types of adverb classes. Till then, bye. Please like, share, subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get all my notifications. Thank you.